received a parcel from Shivdas and Sons for 10 years of due as well. See, this is the parcel that I got from DU. Not from DU, it's the parcel I got from Shivdas Sons for DU as well books. Bcom Honors first year. Alright. So I ordered it yesterday from Shivdas website, and my exams are coming, so I thought of ordering this. So this is the type of packing that you will receive. So let's open it. Okay. It didn't take much time. I ordered it yesterday morning and I received it in the noon. Almost 2 or 3 days it will take. So it's the first book, Financial Accounting, paper 2. As you can see, it contains question paper with answers of latest syllabus. Alright, second, and this is the 6th paper, computers IT paper. Alright, and this is business statistics, 4th paper, and this is 5th paper. And here comes the 5th paper was of business law. Now here comes economics, 3rd. Then the first one is of business organization management. Alright. Then we have political ethics, 7th, and business communication, 7th. Alright. So 1, 2, there will be 8. There are 8 subjects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just use 5. You can see. And this is 6, and then this 7A, 7B. Okay, alright. Just we'll put them. You can see. I'll just wait a second. These are the books. Okay, alright. See, you can see from Shivdas. Business Organization Management, Financial Accounting, Micro Theory, Macroeconomics Theory, Law, Filters. Let's go. One by one. There is